Hey guys, sorry that we are on e-learning again. I kind of want to have you guys start to prepare your experiment. Tuesday we are going to run these experiments in class. So I want you to think about something that you and a partner or you and a partners, would be willing to do. If I'm looking in my e-learning folder, you have this 1.2 vital signs experiment. It lays out like step by step what a lab report or what a lab should look like. So you can see a description of what it means to identify my problem, to predict using a hypothesis, what a dependent versus independent variable are, all these descriptions down here that you're going to need to use for your e-learning assignment. So when you get your e-learning assignment, you're going to see this document on how you're going to set up your experiment. So you're going to write down your research question. Does running raise heart rate? Does lying still for 10 minutes reduce my heart rate? Does putting ice on my neck slow down my breathing? Can eating a bunch of junk food increase my blood pressure? Different experiments, whatever your research question is that you guys want to answer, that's what you write here. Okay, so let's stick with that blood pressure question. If I eat a bunch of sour Skittles, then my blood pressure will go up because of the high sugar content. So I set it up as a stepwise. That's something that I can test. Dependent versus independent variable. So my dependent variable is what I'm measuring. So in my experiment about Skittles and blood pressure, that's going to be my blood pressure. My independent variable is what I changed. So not eating a bunch of sour Skittles versus eating a bunch of sour Skittles. Okay. So in this experiment, I would obviously need to bring in sour Skittles. I would need a blood pressure cuff. I would need a sphygmometer, stethoscope, and at least one or two people to run it, right? Control group. This is going to be my group that's before eating the sour Skittles. So I'm going to take my blood pressure and my partner's blood pressure. Then we're going to eat our sour Skittles and retake our blood pressure. Okay, and then I'm just going to set that up step by step. So I'm going to explain step 1, take blood pressure. Step 2, take partner's blood pressure. Step 3, mow down on sour Skittles. Step 4, wait 5 minutes. Step 5, take our blood pressures again and see what happens. Okay, hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to use those PLTW logins that I sent you in your Schoology Messenger, or you can feel free to reach out to me. Okay. Hopefully you guys stay warm, stay safe, and I'll see you next week.